So here we will be seeing the basics of logic gates. In the logic gates, you will be seeing AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, XOR gate, NAND gate and NOR gate. So for this purpose, you should know the IC. For suppose it is AND gate, we will be using IC number 7408, and in here pin number 1, 2 will be your inputs and pin number 3 will be your output. In the same way, 4, 5 will be your input, 6 will be your output, 12, 13 will be your input and 11 will be your output. 9 and 10 will be your input and 8 will be output. For all the ICs, pin number 7 will be ground and pin number 14 will be your VCC. And you know the truth table for AND gate. A and B, if suppose there are two input variables and Y will be your output. So two inputs means you'll be having 4 combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. You know the truth table for AND gate. How does it behave? When it is 0, 0, output you will get 0. When it is 0, 1, you will get output as 0. When it is 1, 0, you will get output as 0. And when it is 1, 1, you will get output as 1. So this IC is IC number 7408. That you can see here. IC 7408. So this is 74HC T08N. That means it is 7408. Okay. So here this is 14 pin IC. This is 14 pin IC. So here this you can see it is a notch. You can see it is a notch here. I hope it is visible. Small thing it is. So when you come to lab, you can see that. So this one counts from 1 till 7. If I count, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So parallelly this side it is 8 to 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is IC. So when it is 7408, it is AND gate. So this is IC trainer. Okay, this is IC trainer. So you will be working your lab experiments of LD lab, that is digital circuit lab, on this trainer kit itself. So here you can see, here one IC you can place, here all these 5 ICs you can be placed in one trainer kit. So this, if I place here 7408, so this corresponds to first one. The second, I'll just show you. This is called as socket. So how you will be placing? You will be placing the notch at the front side. Always this notch should be at the front side, so that corresponding is called as pin number 1. So that also at the starting. You cannot place it like this in the middle. Okay, or you cannot place it at the last or in the middle. The first one, from the first one only it should be placed like this. So now I will lock this one. So I have locked now. So now these are called as patch cords. So these are called as patch cords. And here it is inputs what you will be giving. Here you will be giving the outputs. If the light doesn't glow, that means it is 0. If the light glows, it means it is 1. Okay. So for all you are having this switches. So now as you have seen the pin configuration, that is the IC 1, 2 corresponds to input. So what I'll be doing, I'll be giving 1 to the input. Okay. So 1 to the input, 2 pin number 2 to input, corresponding what we have sent you the lab manual starting experiments. Accordingly you will see that IC specification and you can do it. Pin number 3 is the output, at the output. So as you all know, for each and every IC always pin number 7 is ground. So this is ground. Okay, and pin number 14 is always VCC. So when this becomes 7, you cannot take 8, 9, 10 here. When this becomes 7, because your IC is 14 pin. So 7 this side and 7 this side. So after 7, 8. This becomes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So pin number 14, I'll be giving VCC. Okay. So now 0, 0 indicates 0. Okay. For AND gate, truth table you can see 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 0. Output will be 0. 1, 0, output is 0. So when it is 1, 1, the output is 1. Okay. If you want, I'll show once again. 0, 0 means output is 0. 0, 1. So when light glows, it means it is 1. So 0, 1 means it is 0. Output is 0. 1, 0, output is 0. 1, 1 means 1. In the same way, so one IC will be having 4, you can realize 4 AND gates. So 1, 2 is input, 3 is output. For one more AND gate, what happens is 3 and 4 will be your inputs. So I'll connect here only. 3 and 4 is input. If you want, you can see the pin configuration, what we have already sent here. And 6 is the output. Sorry, 4 and 5 are the inputs. And 6 is the output. Okay. So now 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So like this, again we can go for one more AND gate, that is 9 and 10 will be your inputs. Okay, so this is 6. So this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. 8 is output. So I'll connect 8, okay, pin number 8 to the output. Pin number 8 is connected to output. Next, 9 and 10 are inputs. So this is 8, this is 9. So pin number 9 to inputs. Okay. So pin number 10, 9, 10. Pin number 10 to inputs. So you can see again 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1 is 0. 1, 0 is 0. 1, 1 is 1. In the same way, one more gate, that is pin number 11 is output. So this is 8, 9, 10. So output I'll connect here. Pin number 11 is output. Next, 12 and 13 are inputs. So pin number 12 and 13 I've connected to input. That is, this are input. So 12 and 13 are connected to inputs, whereas pin number 11 is connected to output. So let us see the truth table. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 is 1. Okay, whenever the light glows, it means it is 1. So when the light doesn't glow, it is 0. In the same way, you can go for OR gate, you can go for XOR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, seeing the IC specifications what has been given.